Welcome back to Coloring Book TV, guys. And this is part 2 for I Want Back My Ex-Man. Coloring Book, can't tell them race.
Here you have it, live. Coloring Book TV for the people and only for the people. And remember, kids, you see all of what you see right now in this movie, when you guys ready to watch it, I'm just trying to let you kids know, all of this is just a hack. And remember, in the future, kids, you don't need this. The only thing you need is education and love from your mother, and leave the rest to Father God. So remember, just like, share, comment and subscribe. And I just want to big up Puppet and Brittany, Tugger and Curious, everyone that take part in this movie. And remember, as I said, this movie, it's a movie you can watch with the family. And remember, just watch it, like, share, comment and subscribe, and then you guys can get part 3. Boom!
God. Good little vacation. Running around like problem. Pull up the window. Huh?
Yes, different.
Right, I'm going to get those, so it's a here. And this is mine. And the suit. In a suitcase, so I don't know if you can pack out everything.
You can't carry good things to see your friend or something. One perfume or something.
So, right now, kind of actually, so I sort out things the right way. One night time I wonder if I move away from here, so because you can't bother. Like, my ex, she come the other day, want to pop off big fight. You see me? Because she touched me and I come out and I pop off big fight or something.
But yeah, she left. Why she come here?
I don't understand. That's why I just tell them say I can just leave early and I just leave the other day. You see me? Because I can't buy the problem. You understand?
So what she does? She has talk you?
It looks up. So.
It's like, so you can't keep run from her. Every minute you go run from her. So if you move from here, so and she come out next place, you go move from this again.
She go find me, we are going to move.
Oh, you know that, babes.
Alright, let's not focus on her and focus on myself. We just come back from for a good vacation. So we have to start pre-back for work now and set ourselves together.
Yeah, I say I can't get back my last job we did have.
So we are on now. We are going to eat.
Then you want to snacks in a suitcase. We're really hungry and I just want to sleep.
Alright, get a rest then. I think I'm going to check on my virgin and see if
Yeah,
I can
say
get
that
them
she
some.
up.
No, I'm not good. You're a woman and you're a man. We can't worry about it. So just lie down. I mean, this will be one. So do we have me? I have to check something.
Alright.
Yo. Remember when I said I could stay for 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Well, 2 weeks now, so 2 weeks up. My man are coming for a fire and I want to get the place cleared, so I have to find someone. I know where I will go, but you say you want to stay 1 month, and I tell you, say, no, you can't in 1 month because my man have to come down, so you have to stay 2 weeks. So 2 weeks up and now, so.
But I don't know where to go.
Well, I don't know, I can't know about that.
Look
My man
here.
come down, I have to clear the
But
place.
look here, my ex-man, he offer me want to kill me. And the one when me left with that day one day, me can't go back in here because he not take me back.
But I know my problem that you see, I want to tell us you can't stay.
You can't at least make me stay over your bed over there, so please. Me keep me on.
What you know is when my woman come down, I want to settle in my place, my left and this a bed to the bed, they find the bed there to the bed, so. You know how
Me stay under the bed and lock me hide in.
It not go work.
But if you grow,
He not going to work. She a come down. I just me and her alone feeling the local space. I just feel our space this.
Even in the bathroom, I can spread in there long and sleep. I don't know if you go, I can't
As
go
long
by
as
the
it's in her
street.
house, it gonna be a problem. As long as we know it's in her house, it gonna be a problem. So you can't stay there. You have to go find somewhere to go.
So what me I go do? You know me not know if you go.
Sorry,
Me
me
know
not-
say
me not
help
like-
me out a lot, but at least help me out. Just talk to your woman and tell her, say please. She don't have nowhere if you go.
She's not a reason person. Me can't sit on her reasons. So you have to go. I'm not like still out people on the street, so they pick you up off the streets, but you have to go back home.
I go do now, me I go do. Alright then, anyways, me I just leave them because confused right now, because right now me not even know what to do. And see there, you be good to me picture because see there, you do me here for me and me here no day.
See, that's
And
the
I
only thing you
appreciate
can-
that, to be honest. So, me I just live up out to your place, you see me, because I don't want your woman fall out or in and out banger, you see me, because of me.
I'm hope you find somewhere to stay. If you realize the woman will come off the shoe and take off, she pillowcase, tidy me and tie her, make go my pot and all, come and do everything before she come down. And I may have to go pick her up still, so.
Alright then, big up yourself, you're good, you see me.
Alright.
God shall bless me along that road. I hope God bless me too, man. Me can't take this to the way, not true?
Yeah, man, I can't go.
Because my things in house.
We are there.
I don't know where to go. I did catch somebody.
Hello. Me need to tell you if you just avoid yourself.
But I don't know where to go. That's the only place no me can
This is
come
not
back.
the only place for you. This is for me and my woman. We are there.
So I used to be a woman?
Yeah, my woman fight. And me tell you so me no want to see what now we up there saying you still a start me down. Brother, me and they just avoid me no you would.
But I don't know where to go.
Me
Me
no
the streets
business
like
with
this.
you. If you did want this somewhere, you need to give me, you need to cheat for me, you need to do all of that, but you run down sweets. You
But me
run
tell
down
us that-
money.
Me tell us I'm sorry, right?
Sorry, can't help you. Listen to me, I say. My woman in this right now, we just come off a vacation. You understand? Right now, my nigga, I go give them something, and I care
So
about
if
from
you're not
foreign
free-
field. No, there's nobody to me, so I don't need to care about no
Me
field.
oh, see, I say me
He's my
nobody
ex.
know.
You understand? Me no need, me no business with you and you no for business with me. So here what I go on now. More you avoid you say. You see, me tell you already and when you're my woman side, me say no come back here. And you see next time I come up here, a police me go call up and for you.
But me not have no way to go.
Me no
Me
big,
know that
here,
woman come and come back out
here.
again.
You more ahead one now. Try get a place and stay, book in our hotel and stay. I don't know how long this can make you stay there for. Check that. That's how much? That's 20,
That's 20,000.
25.
That is 25.
Alright, I don't know how long you can stand in a place for, but stand there and buy food with this. Buy food with that.
That's 7,000. Just make it 800.
Hello, go on.
So you're
Just listen to me now, you see, just try to get somewhere for yourself.
your best ex.
Hello, listen to me. Hello, that's easy for you. Don't bother get too close. Because I'm not that heartless, because I don't want them murder you out there. You understand? So just try get hotel and stay at a hotel for a little while and try get a hurt. I see me can get a hurt to done off of my case. If me see you back here so, me I go call. But if me even see you back out of my gate, you understand? Me I call police. Yeah, because my woman asleep, so just go on. Go on. Just go on. Me no want me to walk about same time. Go on, me come on, sir. Go on. Go on. No, go on. Me wait. Go on. Me no want to walk. Go on. Go on, man.
Babes,
Yes.
you know some name member say if you go quit some grocery. Nothing there? Nothing there, you know?
Not in our house.
No. I just some crackers and sardine alone. Even on tin food, no good.
So yeah, I need them.
Me
Would
was
you
a-
use all of them?
Yeah.
No.
And I will
I'll wait for some to come. Come here, go and I don't go this one. So, or a bunch of body tea.
Maybe I'm going to up it and I just turn your up on your
I'll
own.
come up and put up a bit.
Oh.
Alright, so see me come here. I just get them ready for that. Come here, I want to say something to you.
This one call him, what are your sis?
Alright, so basically, one minute just in the room. What I think about is why I'm not even spend no big money as the market because I'm a priest, I'm not going to stay here.
What do you mean I was there?
Alright. What I did have in consideration, I did have say, I would just go up on my family them the countryside. I would just spend some little time with because everything it traumatized me. Yes, if fight with the ex, me just not want to stay around her no more. You understand? Because if you once me and somebody in something is either me go or the person go. You understand? So better me just stay out of way because me is not a violent person. I don't want to reach to a situation where when she come here, she go continue come here and maybe she go hurt me or hurt you or me hurt she or you hurt her. Cause you have to look on it that way there. So me just try to stay out of problem. Understand? Maybe you gotta spend some little days up there. Understand? You know, maybe she will just maybe you come here and see what does say something and you just allow it. And you feel so when I live here, or I just say something, so just stay out of problem. So I just feel like I just go and just lift up a morning and show out.
No problem, but babes, I say I'll keep on a run for now if you rest of your life.
And I run from her, but we just save a life because I don't like problem. I like peace, I don't like problem. You understand? So we just go build off for a while. I have money already to take care of you and take care of me. And forget things up there. Spend some good time with my mother. Said a long time I go build back with my mother. I make sure she know everything. Cause I know she know say me and you in a relationship. So at least we can go there and me and her try to talk and make sure she know what go on in my life. Cause she don't know so me I go through some things and I don't know me just hide my tears. You understand? So we go up there, explain and tell her everything, why me and that person and anything because she know her, she don't know you. So we go up, we go fix everything, okay?
And then a new environment how good for it.
So don't worry yourself, man. So just me I can help you clean up your meat and something. So I finish with up a bit
I
there.
am the curry or roast.
Well, I love curry chicken, but we need too much of that
Curry,
over so. So just brown stew.
Alright.
Yeah.
No.
Family them, you understand, on the countryside, I would have spent some of the time with them. Everything is traumatized me. Yes, if fight with the ex, me just know want to stay around her no more. You understand? Because if you once
Oh, God, now you're doing so.
No, man, I want movie me I watch.
That the way I listen movie.
I want a new movie will come out, man, you take me I watch.
So I wish my ass stay now.
You know, some of them friend them place though. Yeah.
Go I've gone on. You know, gone for little girls.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm alone there. I have to try to reach over before rain come down. Because I do it already.
Oh. Me there, man, I go and watch a movie, man. Look
Alright, take care of yourself.
Alright. Yeah, try to see what the problem. Problem is coming your way. Alright.
Color book pass, burn it down. No, something.
You can't let me look up my foot, man.
Calm down, man. So I go on differently. The team down the road, man.
You don't know himself, you know, man.
You must circle all of them to look for your body yard in there.
Which part?
Down, where down some man? No, pass up. Go on flat. White all region.
You walk fast, no, so maybe I'll reach up a second.
Me say I told you all of them. Me say I go around so you're there. Couple yard round so, I'm circle, but much yard round so.
So what you deal with?
They are pass through me, girl. But I don't understand how you get yourself. You jump out a cool river water and jump in a frying pan. Normally, if you say then jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire, but you jump out a water, jump in a frying pan.
Look here, this is a comfortable.
No man, differently. Me just come for easy with you. So I go on.
Me there you go and take it easy.
So you know go back to your ex yet? All if me can't go back because you have a girl there, brown girl. Look like she black half the road.
No, you're not fair putting on my face like that.
No,
here?
no.
Because I don't know about it already.
But
you see
me,
me?
but me tell you.
I know about him and his girl already.
But me tell him not to left the man.
Well,
Because
he already
gone already.
So I can't do nothing about
Rough.
it.
I mean, you say you have box boat, and me say you box from yard to yard, so do you want to say? But me not say, me not
So
say
what's
so.
up, man? I know everybody business.
No, and I know everybody business over there say. And look bad.
Oh, so people have my name on road and watch out
Yes,
box
so
from yard
yeah,
to
box from
yard.
yard to yard. Even the young youth, when woman in they are foreign, me
Who
say,
that?
no, have a show be out, Bob, before woman come.
So wait, them a walk and a call up my
No,
name.
Anna him tell me. That girl tell me.
No, you say him that. No, that's
No, me
simple
say,
mean
no, me say, the youth,
So then how girl would I know that if him not tell a girl?
the neighbor.
Neighbor.
And I ramp with a girl left her next door because she linked with few people them. She know your man will look for you. So nobody will
So
call she and she go
since
call
as-
the man.
So since as she know him, why when time did that all along you never go tell him say? She never go to him and tell him say, me dey over there so.
Listen, she not nothing against you. She just said to me, say, why? The girl a box from yard to yard and now.
Me know nobody stung for me name, me no like it.
Man, no, she sit down pan her, she stand up pan it. But anyway, the breeze cool today. Me I go down at the beach side, go all the rest.
Yeah man, go and do that.
Yeah man, because when the team getting a low post, you go find your one. Look for you're pregnant, where the man will be there. Oh the God. You still like my friend here so. Burn it down. No, you may talk, burn it down.
You know what, it makes sense to go on yeah man, go on. I'm just not to spoil people there. Some of yeah man. Stop and come to try.
Yo, Raja!
Yo! Ready? There. No, I jump out that place right now, man. For me new man.
Oh, you're not coming.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, yeah. What do you
Go
know
chill out, go spend a couple
Daddy,
of
answer that
weeks.
question. Oh, yeah, move like the birds and so. The man got fired one time and not fired never again?
No, it's not a fire there, but my mother never go spend with the fire, man. Because for me, ex pay a problem, yo.
But I'm tell you one thing, you see, life, it's about love. And if you find a girl you love, you spend some time with her, makes sense. Right? But anyway, talking about for your ex, you see man name pick up?
Yeah.
I mash him up. The man I look for him and can't find him.
Then I say, man, come
The man want to
take
take on him dick too and pinch him on his nose. Right now, if the man catch him and I do them rough. You know see her?
Me see her, man, I tell her so she come over here and beg me chance and he not stop me, so that's why I just kind of easy from him, you see me, and just go spend some time with family. I don't want to see
You
him.
can't run from a stalker. You have to confront your stalker.
Cause that time I go foreign and I come back. As I come back, so I go. He said, "Dear me, even carry back come here."
Yo, remember
I
saying
said time him
the
and
talk to the girl and tell the girl say, you know, one thing she must do, you know, is ensure say him deal with her good, cause either deal with her good. And him think say grass is green on the other side and a man with money here, you know. I can hear the story from the bushes years. Say, it's 100,000 the boss here. And the 100,000 can't done. In man's mind, for him 100,000, you would have given 500,000, you would give me piece.
Yeah.
When the man give 100,000, he better know say he will never get back the next 100,000. I hear about money and things, and as some money go, then big man when they give man money, the money if he last in favor, then if he take 100,000, flip it and give back him either 100,000 or 200,000 tight. See no man know. She have to work and give back 100,000 and more.
So 100,000 you want back another time?
You want back more than 100,000. Because the investment you invest in her, move more out of your life and a feel life if you go work and on after them and deal with them. By the way, pass me a pass through still. What you say? When you drop him back?
Around next week, man.
Alright,
next week Friday, I think.
For now, I come give you a link.
Because mom's in a sour beat, so I push out and now. But you rate the bag and you have to make it though.
Yeah man, it work. You done a yard there. Said I'm going to check on new girl still. I know she a deal with, she a tired out. But I not tell her about the money, because I not know for her. So maybe I carry upon that. She said, what kind of work you do? I said, well, I'm a farmer, but not a farmer. And then she asked some different questions. I said, oh, yo, I can't answer so much question. I don't work at the bank. Yeah, I have money, but I can't tell how much money I have. And I can't tell what I do with my money. I move like Western Union. You want to know what I do with money? But no, ask me them questions. So I have up and down because she has tried to get me money.
Yeah.
But actually, I don't want this one knockout her. I like her. Because if I don't want one knockout her, I tell her, I say, Bruce Stewart, I'm a hungry. And I have my own part of sandals. You know what I mean? And some could catch her because them then do no research. Bam, bam. You just want to get two t-shirt print. When my sandals pan, I could capture her, but I don't want the way there. I do like, nah man. Oh man, don't like the truth. I don't like it. But anyway, I pass through though, you know?
Alright, so big up yourself here.
Take and go do what you do. The link here.
Alright, babe, you ready now? Alright, get the bag them and come.
Hello. What about girl? No man. Girl, don't worry about me. Me I book in a hotel for 1 week. Know yourself about that. Somebody pulls some strings for me. So yeah, me I gonna live large for 1 week. Yeah. No girl, they say no visitor. No visitor. They say no. You know, say if me could have care, would have care, right? Because everything with me I do for me and you. Yeah man. What? Video call. Girl right now. I just want to zone out. Alien would me go on me alone. So when I left from the hotel or something, we call you. Alright then. Me get back to you. No man, all inclusive. We have to talk about everything there to eat, girl. All inclusive. Yeah. Plus, you're not to worry yourself, girl. You're not to worry neither. Yeah. All I want is to have somewhere to stay. That's all. Yeah. Alright, then you come home. Alright. I shall live large. I don't feel anything. Maybe they must say that. You must feel like this. You know, see me tell me say, alright then. Okay. Mm-hmm. Bob,
Yo,
where they going?
not really know somebody I go and chill with moms, I pray.
Something did I do for me. I don't remember my laptop password and I can't go in a heat. I know say your computer got this, so I they ask if I can come pull it for me, please. Me from my yard.
So if you come pull it for me, no by then.
Me send a location.
Alright, just send me it and then I come link you.
Alright. That's a late like come here. Alright then. Send him a location. Sitting. That don't be something forward.
Bob, Bob.
Where they going?
Yeah, man. What you say something?
Come in our room.
Alright, there it is.
No? She just look up for a man full of money. And the man give me one of my beds at this year.
Look nice, huh? You see anything like
That's right. See it here. So how life you doing here, moms?
Oh, life good now. Just see more.
Oh.
So I don't know.
Well, you can call it so yeah. The man only come once in a blue moon, you see me? Yeah. I mean alone live, but tell you the honest truth, sometimes I feel like I want to live fryer because me day and night me I hear knocking and something like dopey day or something. It come like dopey day, man, because if dopey day, I not go stay here. Maybe somebody did left your house and they can sell me, I don't know.
Well, like you say, I hear nice still. Me and moms can come back and spend on 2 nights and I just go off.
Yeah, man. No. Me can't do that. Sorry.
Well, me just try
Me can't do that. No. You must see mad. My man watch me. He said people for watch me. So me can't make no come up here next to go here say me man no go here say me have man up here with woman and same thing and they can't chat about threesome and this and that. Me never that. You don't fix it? Come hurry up. Alright then, thanks. Alright. Stop. Come, open it. So yeah, come to open up, you got 2 1. Thanks again.
Alright, look at me.
Alright.
Come in general,
Later. I'm going to wait to watch one movie. Want to nice. Woo. I've got the eye of a time.
Raja! Raja!
Watch your move.
Browning! Raja! I want you to come down. Wake up boy Raja there. Yeah, sing do man. Raja! I know some years now I'm at me, I know some years somebody has sing. Maybe in coming on with in business still. I feel in business that, alright. Good.
Oh, go on.
Yo, me thinking when I come down.
Just for come down, General, that you didn't even know.
That's why I say I'm brown in the house and she a sing on in there, make love and so come tell me I left me can go on with him.
Listen, this is what I have to say. There is no brown in again. You see how water run from here, man.
What do you care about?
Look up, sir.
What do you head?
No accident to me tonight when I come down, man. I should have come down look early already, you know. That's why I don't come down, you know.
Come and just a link you, because you see what
brown
you...
in dead.
One dead night? Yo. Me here brown night. Yo, she not dead. Me here brown
Dead,
night.
me I tell you.
So who in that house I see?
Nobody know up there, me don't leave nobody up there.
Yo, you know, turn up a sign now. Me say me here, somebody has sing house a while ago.
Nobody know up there.
Say brown in dead, I was sing up there.
Me don't know. I mean, alone have access to my house.
Alright, sorry about that.
I come when I come down back. For up on my family, I tell Brownie, say, come in a back seat with me. And he got in a front seat or something. I want car, bad job them and just licking it.
No accident though, boy. Sorry for
And the
you,
man
boy.
the driver dead. And me and some other people in the back. That they in a critical condition, but and she should have smoke and handbag into that. They would save her.
Alright.
Hospital, me just come out and something.
We never hear daddy. We never hear. We never know yo. Yo, I'll go arrest man and give you a pill and something take.
Yeah man, then give me some
Yo,
pill,
go get
man.
some pill and get some rest up then man. You know what I mean? That's how you going now. Yo, accident. We can't control it. I know you are drive, so you can't control over it still.
Oh, if it really just follow me and come around which part me, then none of that name my man. She just survive it. If she didn't jump up and go on her front. Yo.
That's rough though. But anyway, when I go up and read the woman, you have to control them. It's my thing, you have to rough them up and shake them into the side of you. And she choose her destiny then. So anyway, man, I say, go roll the rest up. Another day, yo, when a 9 night, I come through by tobacco. I'm sorry about that, man. I'm not, yo, but I feel like joy a while ago, page, but when I sad news, we can't never say nothing. Just go and hold it, man. Be strong, man. Yeah, man. You're strong. Strong up yourself, man.
Look him up.
Yeah, man. Do your thing, man. Sorry about that, General.
Yeah, man.
I'll get 2 big for you.
Oh God.
Yeah, mommy. Yeah, me reached out. Can't take no longer. I just can't believe if Brownie did not listen to me, none of this would have happened. If Brownie did not listen to me, I never go in my front seat, Brownie I never did. Now my life does feel weird for no say me alone there. And Brownie there with me no more because I should have there sit down beside me. Me I go on only man. Yes for me thanks. Well I know, me so call, me I get one other call. Hello, good evening. Yeah man, I read something for you man, Brownie dead for you man. Alright, thanks for your condolence. But I can't go on all this jam man, I understand it's very rough. hospital and something, you see me? Because I want another car man to see everything and just carry her. So me I hear, understand? Because me did kind of knock out, you know? So, I want everything now and me I hear so she die and something, you see me? People are she die on the spot and then hospital people must say different things. So, right now I don't even understand, but she dead around 2 days ago, man. I don't want to come, man. I come down here, man. Because I just go up and my mother go spend a little time away and come back down. Alright, I say alright. Yeah, man. Thanks again. Alright. Again. Look, listen, just please. I know your time now for come over here. Listen, just keep your hand to yourself. I know your time to come over here, right?
At least me care about him.
Yeah, you care about me, but I know your time right now. Just keep your hand to yourself, no man. I lose my girlfriend.
What?
Understand she died in a car accident.
When?
You understand me? You just know say me lose her. You understand?
God.
Just listen, just keep yourself.
You can say I got you a rough time.
Listen, stop touch me and you jerk up my head, man.
Me not jerk up my own head for this. Maybe you calm down. Everything will be okay. But why you hack up yourself?
So why you want? Alright, no matter what.
You're not alright. I don't look alright.
Hello? I'm alright, man.
You're not alright.
Okay, but I know your time for this, right? Wait.
I'm gonna go see you.
No, alright. Where you come to? What you say?
I just come over here to check if everything good.
No, you know good. I'm not in the right time right now. I just lose my girlfriend. Me in an emotional state. I don't want to see nobody right now. I just want to stay by myself and just will have vibes. Alright. Thanks for your concern, but I'm okay.
At least somebody care about you. But anyways, like your girlfriend, they don't gone. We can't move in back with you.
No, I'm okay. I said you want to set up my life, Brittany?
How may I stop my life if I'm moving back with you?
Just calm down.
We can't take
Brittany,
good care
hello,
of you.
Brittany, just try to tone down your voice a minute in night, brother. You talk too loud, man. You're supposed to be there, you know. If you just...
I can't talk too loud, man.
Hello, if you have a talk loud, you just come out of my house. Because I don't want to right state right now. You understand me? So stop me get angry right now. Me say, if me go move in with you now, understand, don't tell me to calm down, okay? You get on my nerves right now. If me I go move in with you 2 days after my woman dead, you're going to make your family pre-say me kill my girlfriend just because I want to come back with you.
Are you there, drive?
I don't need that drive, but you know family time and people dead, they talk all type of stuff. It don't look away if you know say as my ex, as my girlfriend died, me moving in my ex. It's not going to look good. So me I can't do this. No, give me no time. Yeah,
why?
Give me some time. More time, but I don't have time to think about nothing.
Alright, tomorrow we come back.
Just come out of my house, please. Come out of my house, please.
I make some tea for you.
Hello, just come out of my house and don't me get aggressive. Please. And if I say it again, then I'm going to like it. Come out of my house. Come out of my house.
Sorry, sir. Look, come out to your place. Sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Good man.
Well, I need to come up here for a day, but I did not wait my mind if I come or not because the way they behave yesterday, let me never did want to come up here because I'm afraid I come up here and do me something, you see me, so I just stay cool and then just I come up here instead.
I say I'm okay, man. I just actually have a peace of mind because you know, if my love and my life go and left me, it's not going to be easy. Understand? But thanks for being care about me still, but good. Understand?
Alright then. We just have to check for you still, like, alright.
Man, no good, man.
So you eat already?
No, nothing to eat, man. Alright.
Oh yeah.
No, man, okay, thanks.
Look here.
Okay.
You don't mean anything.
No,
Just
man,
like, yeah.
no, but me okay, thanks.
Just look here. Just
Please, just give me some space. Can I get some space, please? Thanks for coming look for me. If I'm good, I appreciate it, but just give me some space.
just want hope.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Maybe we
Yeah,
make you
respect.
feel much better.
No, that nothing can make me feel much better right now. Only thing can make me feel much better is me and my woman sit down here right now. That's the only thing. So just thanks. Thanks for everything. Can I leave? Thanks.
Alright then. Big up yourself, isn't it?
Yeah. Just come out of the shower, man, and hold a beard and just sit down. Just try if you have a peace of mind. Man, I don't want nothing to eat, man. I don't understand. I just don't want nothing right now. Yeah, some people are calling, too much calling. Hold on a moment. Could I straighten me, bro? Hold on. Yes, sir. What do you mean by hallucinate? No, sir, I don't like that move. I don't hallucinate. I never show me a brown in my mind. I just feel like, say, I just fear thing because she me say a while ago. I don't want to come up with her no more. Like, I can't bother the traveling. Traveling make me lose browning, so I just build off for my ends for a little while. So, I come up with come look for you, man. Just give me some little time. I'm afraid I road. Alright, man. I love you, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Good night.
Good night.
How you feel?
Well, I feel well, but just I try all.
You already?
I eat nothing.
You want something?
Thanks, but I'm okay, man. I'm not tired.
Every time you come over here and say okay.
Because I don't want no food. From me lose my girlfriend, I just chips my feet and just take up on one chips out I cover and eat. I don't want no food at all.
Look here. You doesn't understand, say she now come back here. Look here. She never come back. You just have to live with it, you see me? You can't make yourself look like
Just,
this every
you
day.
can talk, but just try to keep your answer yourself.
No, at least I know because you deserve it.
Yeah, I know I deserve it. Thanks for try to keep my comfort, but I'm really okay.
So you can't be here, so at least
I don't want
me
anything
push
to
on
eat.
effort, right? If you see you, and make sure you stay on food. Ask you if you eat. And I say you treat me, right?
I'm not cheating away with it. I don't
I
want
understand
food.
some messed up once. You see me? But that don't mean
Yeah, and as I tell you before,
everybody
if
gets
you
a chance.
run, yeah, everybody need a second chance, but you not deserve a second chance.
Why?
Because you see right now, if me tell you before, you come look for me, say if me go put you in this house and no, you know people are gonna say out there, especially my girlfriend, family member.
Stop
Them
thinking about it,
listen
you're
now.
out of the family.
No, listen now. No, me not out of the family. You know what them are gonna say? And me kill off them that I don't forget them. But people are gonna say, me did well one browning to go if you put your back.
Well, then
No,
not feel no about that.
no,
None
I'm
of them
good.
come here?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Come, at least I hope you deserve it. Just,
You know me I start get serious when you know me I just make you can't come in now at all. You just come and just say good night or ask me good and go back. Stop trying to get close to me. I don't want nobody close to me right now. If you come and ask me say if I consume something already ask me if I good, yeah, and just turn back and go, yeah. Don't come
look
in.
here, me never stay here to get disrespect, sir. Me never take a disrespect, you see me? At
So
least
just allow me alone, then me have a
if
peace
you
of
don't say
mind.
somebody, I come must check up on
My mother will do that.
Since
My mother will do that. She just call me. I don't have to do
they're
it.
here, who come here come look for you and check up
My
on
friend then come check up on me and real friends like that.
Don't it?
So your strength now go really do
Oh,
nothing.
my strength.
So thanks for
So
coming
yes, me, I
here. Just give me some time. Cause you keep on a pressure me. Just give me some time. Thanks for coming today, but
No, goodbye.
ain't no matter of fact. Just come out of my house. Cause for you had talked to all like this will happen right now. I'm lose all my girlfriend. You!
Oh, if you make a lose a girlfriend.
Bad chop one at a time, me killer. Dark one at a time. Why bad this, me killer? No, you know me not up on the countryside, my father. West side, me the man. Niggle man, the best side, man. Can't buy it Clarendon and up there. Hot me killer, man. The boy you want me, dog. 3 counts you want me, pan. You see me? So me have to just dark up the boy, man, cut dog. Yeah, man, me up on the end of the contract, boy, man. And a niggle, man. I'm going to run off the thing for you, dog, man. Yeah, man, any problem, dog, you know. So me deal with the problem for you, dog. You see me? Dog, I take care of me. Good to me, killer. In a real life. I have a one bird and she'll violate me, dog. You see me? So right now I'm there, look on right now, me killer. You see me? Yo, bad dog, watch out now. Me I link you back. Me I call about my father. You hear that? Yo, Brittany. Don't move. Don't move. Forward. Forward now. Yo, stand up. Give me a phone.
No, but
Yo, stand up. Give me a phone and don't move. How long am I look for you? You don't say you violate me. You know, problem I put me in a girl.
Mom, I'm sorry about everything, Mom. But I can't live like this no more. I can't stand the relationship.
Sorry. Sorry. You style me down. All of my street credit gone. So watch you now. You know your badness right now, you know.
I can't come back with you.
No, you have to come back right now.
I can't come back with you. I can't come back.
Right now. I want to have a hold on my phone him too. I move, you go move right
Come
now.
back. No, I can't come back with you.
Yo, watch you now. I ready, you know. I bring you back home right now, you know. You see me? I will just set things right back. You see me? Make it up back and everything. You get what I say? Wait for that good?
Yeah, look up back too.
You sure?
Come on. Come on. You idiot. Come on.
Yeah, thank you, Father, for another day, you know. Give thanks.
Dog smiling face with horns. Okay, hand.
Yo. Yeah, I mean. What? For me, brother? Right here, tell man. Yo, I'm not run joke, you know, when you come on to them thing, I'm not run joke, you know. In there on the pan ground. You sure? Ah, which part? Church Street. Alright, let's see already. Yo. Yo. Get up, man. What am here? Oh, go on there, sir. You find the girl? Oh, get up. Yeah. You find the girl? Oh, go on. Ah. like somebody. So like them licking your head. Who licking your head with stone?
How will you charge it?
Huh?
How will you?
What you mean by woman, my brother?
Charge you lick me.
You know I see good.
Help me, I'm head. Brother, I don't have no brother charge it.
And me and your brother, what you mean by? Come on. Sit down. Some boy feel know in the youth. Anybody will do this right now, me I tell you God them better go somewhere other depth on earth, me I tell you God living truth better right now. You good? Lie down man, lie down and get some rest. Boy, man.
How are you?
Boy, man, your brother, man, your brother to box me a woman, man. Yo, me say, whosoever do this, man, me I tell you, say, they better left earth. Boy, me I tell you. Now morning, look, my father back. I'm just, my call Brittany. I'm Brittany, yo. Yo, Brittany, where you there?
What you mean by what me do on the
Yo,
road?
you know you want me to your man? Oh, you know over here yet?
I want me to him.
Yo, find yourself over here so right now.
Me ask her what happened
Find
to
yourself
him.
over here so right now and ask me what happened to him.
Just
You
tell me what happened to
like
him.
you lose his memory right now, youth. Find yourself over here so youth. And yo, no make me get grimy, you know.
Me I come.
No!
Alright.
So you're good. Lie down, man, and relax. Now lie down and relax. Your man soon come, call her. No water yet. Just relax. You know, man come and get around you. Yo, me say, yo. God see you know, man. God see you know you. They may have find that somebody will do this, yeah. Then, yo, them go side here.
Oh, Vanessa.
You know, like you get a head lick or something and knock out a light post on a church railing.
You didn't say something about last memory, that's true?
You like kind of mean to ask me who me. And me I say my brother. Lie down and relax, brother.
No, calm yourself, man. Calm
That's what
yourself.
I tell you.
Alright, you can't go, but me take care of him,
Just
man.
take care of him now. You see, whosoever do this, I'm not going to explain.
I want to. You don't have to be afraid, man. Me take care of you. You want something to drink? Just stop going to no man. Maybe you have to change up your clothes. Come on. Get up. Get up, no man. Come. Come on. Get up. Come on. Come on. Come on, open that bathroom. Have it with you. May I come? Only hope say I get well soon.
Yo, what going? You know you nothing what going in?
No, I'm not hearing nothing.
Yo.
Just calm down,
You
man.
just want to hear say, yo. One, you good?
You know?
You still hurting?
I won't again.
Yeah.
You would.
I won't again.
Brother, it's
Are you
if I
brother?
hear say, if I even time or hurry, we just want to know
You want my brother?
and see what going on you would.
Brother.
Or me and brother?
Yo,
Co-
don't worry
it's one
yourself,
and
man.
brother.
You see, alright.
One friend.
We link up couple and that and I'm clearing them because
Your friend ain't up in line.
no worry.
You have a friend?
You have money?
No, I need you want something like
Say you no call me and tell me say you want pill.
Suppose I never have money, me they want pressure, yo.
Yo. If you call me and make anything I want with you, you call me and make me know.
You have a friend?
Alright.
You hear?
No, me a girlfriend.
What listen? Buy you anything I want, give me. In pill or whatever I need. Put in hand. What listen? And
But
till you
mama
want
said
you.
you can't go and shop a shop.
Listen, no man that tell me nothing. You walk with them, go and shop, make you spending money. Yo.
When you feel? When you feel?
Yo. She ain't even knowing a man.
No, we can't.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
No, I'm not happy for you. Alright.
Where can I go?
No, I'm not crying, man. Alright.
I'm crying too.
Hmm?
I'm crying too.
No, everything alright. I'm holding mommy for you. Yeah, smile. What happened to you?
We gonna cry to you.
The soon get better, man. More fully.
You cry already?
Eh?
You cry already?
No.
You not cry yet?
You see, I cried, you know.
You not cry?
Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
You cry again?
No, man, alright. Just try to get some rest.
You know a red shirt?
Eh?
Or a red blouse I want?
No, I yellow blouse this year, man. I yellow orange, so much.
That's a lie.
Yo, orange, no.
That's a lie.
When I'm gonna tell a lie, yeah, I love my life and my boyfriend forever. Not because of then I want to state, no, like, you know, a crazy statement me I go, this one or anything. No,
So,
no, that.
if me and you have a relationship and me in there, how me treat you, how me used to treat you?
To be honest, it's a treatment good. You give me money, always give me money, make sure some here do and then stuff there. And you even give me a backyard to go back go draw much money and something for me sell. I say you used to treat me.
See money.
What would you take it?
So if you're there, I was something we have built, a relationship we have built.
No, we already in the relationship already.
You can't understand.
Alright. The two did it together already, right?
We just want to find out. We can't remember nothing, so we just want to find out who me is. If me not one good person,
Yeah,
me not one monster. Me not remember nothing.
No, you are a good person.
True.
Good somebody.
Good somebody kill
Yeah.
somebody and good somebody
No, good somebody, not kill somebody. Good somebody.
Good somebody mean?
Good, yeah, good somebody.
What do you mean?
Me like, alright, for example, me tell us if you do this here, you do it. Like let me say, carry out your rubbish, you do it. Let me say, prep up your bed, you do it. Wash your plate, you do it. Sweep out the house, you do it.
What somebody mean?
Bad?
Yeah.
No man, we not talk about the bad part, you know. We talk about good, because you're good somebody. We
So
don't
you
want
go away? You go away?
to... No, me not hungry with you.
You go left me?
You hungry?
You go there?
You not hungry? Try to get some rest.
You go now?
No, me not hungry, me stay.
You're not hungry forever?
No, me not hungry, me stay with you forever.
Forever?
Forever.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, me just close the door or something. And then me come lie down. Just try to get some rest. I like seeing this a state here because right now I have my dippers and sun right, you know. See there, too long there in a bed here no do. You want to line up and then something there. I don't like see you look like this.
What stage you that about?
Your hair just look bad. You want to do.
You can't see me here.
Glass the over there so. And next thing you used to be this person like run up and down or something. But I want the hard for you.
I play football and I play football.
I ramp it how you used to ramp and so run
Used
up
to
and down
ramp?
like I told you to pick me.
You see what?
You used to ramp, but who that? Oh,
It's so good, man.
come in.
Oh, you say, brother?
No, this is a person work on the house so you're in there.
No, say still
Me have a house. Me have a house.
No, somebody house they are work on in there.
What is?
I hear right. You know how that for?
No, it's a for.
Piece of money I'm the whole man.
Who want me? Money?
Yeah man, who a piece of food like me can go and give.
How money alone owe me?
Yeah man, all the money alone. So I'm telling you can go and do.
Hey man, it hurt me.
You know feel good in last in memory.
Oh, that's why man. Ask me money, people
Me
money.
no last time me just hurt me. I'm good.
You lost in memory here. You lost it so.
Go and take it easy man.
They're going to take care of
Take care of
yourself.
yourself.
Aye.
So you used to be this type of person again, like you give me all the money, so get one money to you just hand it over to me and I just take money for it and just give it.
You get money?
You always give me money, like for example, I get the money now, you give me it in my hand.
This a money?
Yeah,
Here.
thank you. Me give one money out there.
You give me money?
Yeah.
You give me back money?
You make you a $5 out there. This can buy what you want.
You
The
sure?
rest now you provide for me and you.
Thanks.
I'm going to get some more money so we can, you know? Yeah. Because you're not strength enough to go work or nothing to make money.
Work? You used to work?
Yeah. A lot of person just come to you about you need to work on a site. Build house, yeah.
You look a girl go and check my car?
No boy. Jesus have mercy. God help me soon. Jesus Christ. Well, me I go shop go buy something for you to eat and because you must hungry. So just give me the money and I'm going to buy something out there for you. Buy something for you to eat.
Buy one cartoon for me.
Cartoon, I watch cartoon?
Cartoon man. Buy one of them for me when I cartoon man.
Me I buy one cartoon for you man. I buy water and
I buy
something.
one Jesus for me to hear.
I want Jesus?
Jesus Christ. Yeah.
Alright, you get one of Jesus Christ chain them with the cross on it.
Yeah.
So you go. Alright then.
Alright.
Get your food. Oh, Jesus. Alright, wow.
Clean man, clean.
Oh God. You know, so much to make a baby yet though?
What make?
Because you did have for me and for your clothes to wash and the sheet them. And you normally wash them.
Me wash clothes?
Yeah, you used to wash your clothes them.
No, I'm out of three man.
Your clothes in the bathroom still. Just take a sheet off your bed.
Yes sir. Me wash your clothes every.
Yeah.
Alright.
How happened to you? No, man.
How are you sir?
Put it down one. I feel me it and me used to learn of it.
You sure?
Just put it down, man.
No man. Yo, stand up. Give me a phone and don't move. How long am I look for you? You don't say you violate me. You know problem I put me in a girl. And my one this, me know this. Bumbleclad.
No.
Hey girl, come here. Sit down. Bumbo. Yo, how lick me in my head?
Me don't know how lick in your head.
Who lick me in my head? Who walk up and lick me in my head from back way?
Me don't know. Me don't know who lick in your head.
Don't move. Don't move. Yo, a matter of fact, you know, so you know how lick me in my head too. Man, I like dark and something right now, you know. Yo, tell me how lick me in my head now too. For my lecture them, no.
I'm an ex-boyfriend.
Your ex-boyfriend? Oh, not play me all along.
No, me not play yo. Me never.
Yo, lock chat, nice out, cell block. Don't move. Yo, brother. Yeah, man, my back, man. Remember everything, man. Watch out now, I'm going to link up right now. Darkness, I'm going to link me right now, because I feel. Brother, sorry, my girl, get you now. Watch out, I'm going to link you. No! Right now, I'm kill her. Right now, them people don't even know what time is right now. Dark thing get dark, you know. Maybe I'll darker too. So that my girl feel like he could have played me. All along this girl there. And no sign violate me, man. Darkness, you know. You know the code, hear that?
We no problem. We no problem.
We're coming in friend for brother.
I'm not friend with them. No problem. Just come on, let's move out here, please.
What kind of problem? When you ain't a problem, then don't come take them out from me. What kind of
Jamaican
problem?
went to me knock out me man. Me ex-man.
Walk me.
He didn't lose him memory. He get back in memory. Now he call him brother chat about and tell him brother say you want to kill it to our right now. So if left from the place. I run away now.
Come on.
You know, don't put your cup like up in that name. What shall you do?
Brother. When officer heard, man, my memory come back, man. Remember everything right now, me killer. Watch out now. You're active. Fully active. You are going on now. Right now, me know how lick me in my head, you know. Me know how violate me and use me all this time, you know. I bad girl me used to deal with your Brittany, you know. I'm an ex-man lick me in my head, you know.
Same one.
Same sodomite girl me I tell about in a bad bro.
A lie I tell.
Brother, watch out man right now, me dark. Well dark. Darkness, murder. Everybody
We're
right
in there
now.
right now.
Fully. Step now. No.
Everything good?
Everything good.
I have something to talk to you about, you know.
What are we talk about
You know, no. You know, say you cause all of this for me, right? Me have to run the left my house.
How me cause
Understand?
everything and you see me
That's
not
what
problem
some
and
me
do
say.
something about it.
That's what some I say. It look like me have to give up back a place. You understand? Because if you say man I look for you 2 hours, me can't go back down there, none at all now. Because you constantly I come to my house and look for me. So a good thing when you come tell me, I did have all my wallet in my pocket. Or my card in there, I can get this a place. You understand? So right now I not even know because I can't call my mother and tell her nothing like this right now. So you have your room, me have my room. You understand? We're in a no formal relationship. So you just have to understand that if you realize my black half, I think I'll get a door. You understand? You have a door for your room already. You understand? So just they are going to bounce out the time because people are 500 for hurt with. So when I'm in a relationship, if I cook food, I left for you in a pot and you go share it. If I buy a food, I buy it, I'm not going to make you hungry. And I have somebody already I talk to, so there's no relationship between me and you. We're just there because we're on the run to save a life. No worry about she go come here. Just know say me ain't not there.
But like how we there for we can't do things on a bad no about that.
Just know say me ain't not there. We're just there because we have to save our life. You understand they're on the run. And you cause all of this because if you just secretly do me a give you never that going to no problem or anything. And even you make my woman dead too. Me I put all I blame for you.
Hello, me never did.
But
I never been drive a car. Me never drive no car.
You have a whole shower.
Oh.
You understand? So that's all the grounds. I'm holding the grounds.
Yeah, do man. I'm hungry.
We go to Coloring Book TV.
Alright guys, so for the video that means I made it to the end of the movie. So you know I want to like, share, comment, subscribe, continue support Coloring Book TV because you know so we are push out the work. And remember, if you want to donate anything towards the movement, number the right on the screen. So continue supporting, only a movie or father. Big up on yourselves.